Bonjour! Welcome to another listening practice on my channel French Action. My name is Jenny. I have selected 5 sentences for you and you will hear them once. Take a pen and paper and select the best answer based on what you hear. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Question numéro 1. Ils se disputent. Question numéro 2. Elle se balance. Question numéro 3. Ils sont sur le point de boire leur thé. Question numéro 4. Elle balaie la cuisine. Question numéro 5. Il est en train d'écrire debout. Voici les réponses et les explications. For question number 1, I said, ils se disputent. So that is answer C. Ils se disputent. They are arguing. For number 2, I said, elle se balance. And that is A. Elle se balance. Se balancer is to swing. Numéro 3. I said, ils sont sur le point de boire leur thé. And the answer is A again. Ils sont sur le point de boire leur thé. They are about to drink their tea. Sur le point de. Numéro 4. Elle balaie la cuisine. So here it's C. Elle balaie la cuisine. She's sweeping the kitchen. And numéro 5. Il est en train d'écrire debout. Il est en train d'écrire debout. He is writing while standing. Debout means up, standing. Donc, il est en train d'écrire debout. So for question number 1, we had a reflexive verb, which is se disputer, to argue. There was another verb, se battre, to fight. There were 2 men fighting. But you needed to know that disputer, se disputer, means to argue. Then for number 2, we had the swinging, elle se balance. But you may remember that there was a lady with a ball that she was trying to throw. And that is elle lance. So you have to be careful. Elle se balance, elle lance. In number 3, ils sont sur le point de boire leur thé. As I said earlier on, sur le point de, nice expression to remember, just to say about. Now, ils sont suggests that there are more than one person. So you have to remember, if you have a he or she, or they, il or elle, your answer will really change according to that, okay? So be careful. So whenever you hear ils sont, you know that there's more than one person. Now for question 4, I'm sure you noticed that the other ladies were also in the kitchen doing something. So the idea was to have you thinking of la cuisine, faire la cuisine, goûter à la cuisine. But this time it was just sweeping. It could have been sweeping anything, but she happens to be in the kitchen. So you needed to know the verb balayer, which is to sweep the floor. Il est en train d'écrire has nothing to do with being on a train. Être en train de means to be in the process of, so it's really the translation of the present continuous, which, as you know, doesn't exist in French. So this is the expression to translate the present continuous. Il est en train d'écrire. And then another word is debout. Debout means standing, up. Je suis debout, I'm up. Bravo if you got all the answers right. I hope that you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like it if you did, and share it, and even put it on your social media. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you receive all the notifications of any video I release. Until next time, au revoir!